SARL is an AI-powered platform, a government initiative developed under support of the ANRF, Anusandhan National Research Foundation, with the primary goal of democratizing research. Research papers with valuable insights are converted into simplified forms by converting them into engaging formats such as videos, presentations, and podcasts to reach more people, thereby creating a bridge between the scientific community and the public. Moreover, additionally, these contents can be converted into various Indian languages, thereby aiding meaningful knowledge dissemination, fostering further research, and creating public awareness. Our prestigious institution, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, has several impactful research publications and patents which have been converted through the SARL AI platform. Especially recently, some of the top papers have been selected and published, and they will be shared.
Welcome to this presentation on water-driven modulation of multi-responsive properties in acyl hydrazone-based crystals. This research was conducted by Deepak Manoharan et al. And published in 4th July 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Stimuli-driven mechanical responses in molecular crystals are a rapidly emerging area with significant potential for applications in actuator-based devices, soft robotics, and adaptive materials. These crystals can exhibit macroscopic mechanical responses to external stimuli such as stress, light, temperature, and humidity. While many responsive materials exist, there are few reports on water molecule-induced mechanical properties. The pyrene substituted acyl hydrazone open parenthesis pi AC close parenthesis compound was synthesized via the condensation of 4-BROM-OBENZ-HYDR-AZIDE and 1-PYRE NECARBOXALDEHYDE. Hydrated crystals open parenthesis PYACW were obtained through evaporation crystallization from a dichloromethane water mixture, while anhydrous PIAC crystallized from a methanol dichloromethane mixture. The hydrated PIACW crystal exhibits remarkable 2D mechanical flexibility attributed to water molecules, forming a robust hydrogen bonding network that stabilizes lattice and allows for efficient stress dissipation. The water molecules act as rollers between neighboring sheets, enabling reversible elastic bending with a maximum elastic strain of approximately 6.2 on the major face and 2.3 on the minor face. The observed mechanical and photomechanical properties of the PI-AC crystal are strongly dependent on its hydration state. In the hydrated form, open parentheses, PI-ACW close parentheses, the presence of water molecules is crucial for its elastic behavior. These water molecules participate in hydrogen bonding, creating a flexible yet stable lattice structure that can accommodate mechanical stress without permanent deformation. This study successfully demonstrates that a pyrene substituted acyl hydrazone open parenthesis PI AC close parenthesis crystal exhibits distinct water-dependent mechanical and photomechanical properties. In its hydrated state open parenthesis PIACW close parenthesis, the crystal displays significant 2D elasticity attributed to a water-stabilized hydrogen bonding network that allows for reversible bending.